Hello dear students, how are you today? We are going to talk about the moon. Do you know the moon? Did you see it before? The moon is a sphere or ball of rocks. It is the Earth's nearest or closest neighbor in the space. The moon is a satellite, a natural satellite, and satellite means anything that revolves around another larger object. The moon revolves around Earth much like Earth revolves around the sun. Okay, like the sun, the moon seems to rise, move across the sky, and set each day. This happens because Earth's rotation around its axis causes us to see the moon moves from the east to the west every day. The moon seems to glow in the night sky, but it does not emit any light. It does not have any light. The moon appears to shine because sunlight reflects on it. Okay, each day moon seems to change shape. Sometimes you can see only small part of it. Sometimes you can see a large part of it, and sometimes you cannot see it at all. Each shape of the moon we see is called phase. So phase is the shape of the moon we can see. Okay. What are the moon phases? The moon phases is new moon, crescent moon, first quarter moon, gibbous moon, full moon, gibbous moon again, last quarter moon, and the crescent. New moon in which we cannot see any moon at all, and crescent moon, this is the crescent moon. First quarter moon, we can see the moon as half circle, and gibbous moon, this is the gibbous moon, full moon, gibbous moon again, last quarter moon, crescent moon. Okay. Why does moon shapes seem to change? As the moon revolves around the earth, different amount of the moon's lit half face earth. This is the moonlit side or the moonlit part, and this is the dark part. When the moon is between earth and sun, like this is the sunlight and this is the earth, we can see only the dark side of the moon, and we cannot see any part of the side that is lit by the sun. So we cannot see any moon in the sky, and this is the new moon. As the moon continues to revolve, we see more and more of the lit side of it. After 7 days, we can see half of the lit part, in which it is the first quarter moon. Okay? And then after 14 days, we can see all the lit part of the moon, which is full moon. As the moon continues to revolve, you begin to see less and less of the lit side, like here. We here are going to see half of the lit part of the moon again to be the last quarter moon after about 21 days. And after 29 and a half days, we can see a new moon again. And this cycle is repeated every 29 and a half days. Okay. This is our moon phases. Okay. What is it like on the moon? Both Moon and Earth are spheres, and both of them rotates. They both revolves around another larger object. They both get light from the sun, and they are both made of rock. But they have some differences. Earth is about 4 times larger than the Moon, and Moon has no atmosphere or liquid water, so there is no living things on the Moon. The Moon's surface is different from Earth's. Most of its surface covered with craters. What is a crater? Crater is a hollow area or pit in the ground. Craters formed on the Moon when chunks or pieces of rocks from the space crashed into the Moon. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon. Bye. Hello dear students, how are you today? We are going to complete our lesson about natural resources, which were either renewable or non-renewable resources. And today we are going to talk about the non-renewable resources. What is the non-renewable resources? Non-renewable resources cannot be replaced quickly, as you remember, like rocks. Rocks formed over an extremely long period of time, and people cannot grow a new supplies of it. Okay, how can we use rocks? Large pieces of rocks such as granite and marble are cut and polished to make countertops, which are in our kitchens or in shops. Small pieces of rocks called gravel. Gravel is used in roads for making roads. Limestone is a key ingredient in cement, and as you see here, cement is mixed with rocks in this mixer and water to form concrete, which is used in buildings. Okay, another rock resource is sand. Sand is melted in a hot furnace to make glass. The hot molten glass can be rolled in sheets and forming windows, bottles, light bulbs, lens, bowls, and vases. Ore. What is the ore? Ore is rock that contains metal. The metal is extracted or separated from its ore. It then goes through a process to turn it into a usable material. One of our metals, and is very common metal, copper. Copper is reddish orange metal, can be melted and shaped. Some copper is pulled into long wires that is used in electronic equipments. How can we extract copper from its ore? This is a mine. A mine is the place where the metals are found, or the place we can find the ore of metals in it. At this mine, copper are loaded into trucks. It then takes to a mill. A furnace heats the ore to a very high temperature. The copper melts and separates from the waste rocks. Then the melted copper is cooled into solid metals like this. The copper is ready now to be shaped and cut into products for homes and business. What is the products of copper? It is the copper wires. The copper wires is used to carry electricity around the country, and they are used in computers and other equipments. Okay. Another non-renewable resource is fossil fuel. Fossil fuels formed from the remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. like coal. Coal is a fossil fuel which is used everywhere in the world. It formed from trees and giant firs that died millions of years ago. It turned into a spongy material called peat, and this peat is burned even deeper and deeper. As air and water squeeze it out, it slowly hardened into coal. So the large and giant trees dead, and then it turned into spongy material called peat, and this peat was burned even deeper and deeper and squeezed to form coal. Okay, how can we use coal as a source of energy? Coal is burned to heat water and make steam. By heating water, as you know, steam is produced. This steam spins the blades of a turbine. This is a turbine, and this is its blades. Okay, steam is moving these blades of a turbine, and the spinning turbine runs a machine called a generator. What is the generator? The generator produces electricity. Okay, so the spinning turbine runs a machine called generator, which is used for production of electricity for homes and business. Also, natural gas and oil are fossil fuels that are valuable sources of energy. They are also will running out because they are non-renewable resources. Natural gas is burned to heat water and warm homes, but oil is used as a fuel for cars and trucks and planes also, and also it is used in many other things around us, like the asphalt in the roads, clothing fabrics that we can wear, and also it is used in the lip balm we use for our lips. Oil and natural gas are found underground between layers of rocks. As you see here, they are usually found together, natural gas and oil. It may be under the ocean's water. We use huge oil rigs, which is built in the water to drill the natural gas and the oil. Special drilling equipment is used for this purpose. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon. Bye.